Let's make minimal house inspired by Pawsa like this. Pawsa's tracks completely blew up with millions of streams, so in today's video we're gonna make a track exactly in his style. All the samples we're using in this track are coming from our new After Hours 2 sample pack. It's literally the best sample pack for minimal house. It's linked down below if you wanna check it out. First, let's set the BPM to around 128. Then pick a punchy kick. Let's go over this one. 4 on the floor. And make a small fill at the end. Then it's time for the clap. Let's go over this one. Layer it with his clap snare. Sounding like this. Then it's time for the heads. First, let's add in an open head. And then drop in some more groove with a closed head at a really low volume. Sounding like this. Route them out to a drum bass and load up my new Slammer plugin. It's the perfect plugin for drum bass mixing. First add some transients and clipping. Like this. Then glue it together with some compression and warm glue. Again, it's just a matter of finding the sweet spot with a parallel compression. So without Slammer. And with Slammer, altogether our drum stack sounds like this. For the main synth, I loaded up this preset from the After Hours pack. Let's make the chords. Let's start from the root chords, the D minor, and then go down to the 7th, the C, duplicate it and make a small variation in the rhythm. Then make the chord rhythmic, just like this. Sounds already really cool, but we're gonna make it sound even cooler by inverting the chords, and then even double invert the last chord, sounding like this. Squeeze out some more groove by quantizing it to get a steady off the grid. Mixing wise, only remove the low end and sidechain it. Together with this mod wheel automation, sounding like this. Let's start off with this bass guitar preset with a macro enabling more of the guitar vibe. Then let's dive into the MIDI, create a rhythm with some octave swings like this. Then duplicate it, go to the 4th note of the scale and fit the notes in the key. We're only gonna use some sidechain. And we're gonna automate this mod wheel in a build up. Altogether sounding like this. Then I came across these perfect vocals from the After Hours pack. Just a matter of dipping the mids and removing the low end. Drops in the second bar of the drop, only with some sidechain enabled. With that we're finished, but before I'm gonna show you the final result, comment what you think of this track and I will pick 3 lucky winners to get the After Hours packs for free. So without further ado, let's straight dive into the final result.
We just let it in.